Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can change credit card PIN of Bank of America. So let's jump right in. Changing the PIN on your Bank of America credit card is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Start by visiting the official Bank of America website. Once the homepage loads, locate the login section and enter your user ID and password to sign in securely. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, where all your checking and credit card accounts are displayed. At the top of the page, hover over the Accounts tab in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Card. On the Manage Card page, you'll see your linked cards. For debit cards, PIN changes must be done at an ATM or by visiting a branch. But for credit cards, you have the option to change your PIN online. Click on Credit Cards, then select Create or Change PIN. A new page will appear, prompting you to enter and confirm your new PIN. Once you've entered the details, click Change PIN. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know your new credit card PIN has been successfully set.